Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com. Now, if you can remember, a few months back, we made a beer with the Tom Caxton Real Ale kit, some oat malt extract, which was a combination of barley malt extract and oat malt extract. And we also used some extra hops, some mosaic and some sabro hops. And I said to you in the video that at some point in the future, I would do a taste test. So here we are. This is our bottle of what we're calling Caxton Oaty Hoppy Bitter. Came out at 4% and it's from June. And now it's the end of July. Now, I know it's quite effervescent, as we heard. Perhaps put a bit too much priming sugar in, but there we go. It's pouring quite nicely. Hopefully I'm going to get a nice little head on this. It's not perfectly clear, which I wouldn't expect because we used quite a bit of the oats. And okay, I've got quite a big head, but hey, we already know that. Right, so the look, first of all, it's the dark brown we would expect from the Tom Caxton Best Bitter, but it's not perfectly clear. And that again is, I think, because we used the oats and we used quite a lot of hops in there, and all of that comes together to actually create this fantastic haze. Okay, so he's got a nice nose. He's got a nose of really ripe stone fruits. There's a bit of mango coming through, a bit of fruitiness. And you can also smell real ale, if you know what I mean. I mean, it's not smelling like a craft beer. So, okay, let's go for it. Okay, the first thing that hits you is the tingle on the tongue of all the effervescence that's in there. There's a bitterness as well coming through from the Tom Caxton. There's also a bitterness that's coming through from all those extra added hops which tingle on the front of the tongue. That's what craft beer hops do. Lots of mango coming through on that. There's a little bit of quite citrusy. It's all kind of like around in the background. There's also a little bit of, I want to say, coconut coming through as well when you really give it a good in the mouth. Yeah, strangely, taking a Tom Caxton Real Ale, using the oats malt extract to smooth it out. It's taken quite a lot of the bitterness that would be in the beer anyway out of it. And then really hopping it up with the mosaic and the sabro has really made quite an interesting beer. It's no longer a traditional real ale. It's a real ale that's got some life, some body, and some interestingness. But it's still got the malty character there. It's still got its base that you can really tell. It's a real ale that's got some extra oomph to it, really. That is quite a nice beer. So if you want to make it, you know how to follow our video on, I'll put a link up somewhere, and you can follow our video on how we made this. And if you have a go, then down in the comments below, let us know how you got on. Did you use the same hops? Did you use different hops? Anyway, for now, let us know how you get on. And I'm going to say cheers, and I'm going to enjoy this Tom Caxton with Munton's oat malt extract with mosaic and sabro hops. Cheers. Nice. How long are we going to keep going for? Hello.